My name is Elena Silaev. I'm a massage therapist and skincare specialist. And as Korean beauty is considered to be the best in the world, I wanted to find a good one. I tried a lot of different ones, but unfortunately I didn't see any results. At that time, I was invited for a free facial. And immediately I loved Absolute Skincare. And April 25th, 2024, I joined Atomy. My husband works in security, and we live paycheck to paycheck. When I joined Atomy, I was given a life scenario to work on my dreams and goals. To tell you the truth, I never wrote down any of my dreams before. So when I started, I understood that it wasn't easy. But one dream at a time, I started writing them down. If we can dream vividly, our dreams will become a reality. So my first dream is I want to travel the world with my husband. Sometimes we go on vacation once a year, but most of the time once in few years. And I want to travel few times a year, travel to Europe, to Fiji, and many other countries. I want to go to Spain, Greece, and Italy in 2026. And go to Australia and New Zealand in 2028. In order to fulfill this, I'm going to retire my husband from his job because it's his dream to go there. Also, on my way there, I want to spread Atomy everywhere because I want to help people to be healthy. In order to fulfill this goal and dream, I'm studying Atomy system, and I'm building my team step by step. I also put aside my commissions to save money for these trips. As my time with my husband is very precious, and I value any time we spend together. My other dream is to donate to orphanages and pet shelters. Kids and pets cannot stand up by themselves, so I want to help. I want to build my own pet shelter where dogs and cats will not be created and live a normal life like with families. In order to fulfill this, I'm retiring from my massage business June 1st this year and doing Atomy full-time. Also, I have to become Imperial Master by 2040. In my life scenario book, I wrote that I want to become a sales master by October 25th, but I did get sales master in December 2024. So now the first step to Imperial is the auto sales master by December 2027. In order to fulfill this goal, I'm attending all product days, all seminars, and Success Academy. I'm following up with my customers and follow through to make them consistent customers. These dreams are not faraway wishes, but rather the way to achieve them through doing Atomy. Dream vividly, it will come true. Let's make Imperial. Thank you.
My name is Pamela Jaggernaut, and I'm a Diamond Master. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am currently a hairdresser, been for the past 15 years. Yeah, 15 years. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And I never thought I would want to quit being a hairdresser. I thought I would retire being a hairdresser. My story started with Atomy by chance. I went to the A Center to accompany my cousin thinking that I'm going to be having lunch with her. And I was there sitting down playing with my phone, not paying attention to what's going on. And Allison Lee was presenting. And while she was presenting, something caught my attention, which was how many products Atomy have. And when I heard how many products, I put my phone down on my lap and I started paying attention. At the end of that session, my cousin decided to introduce me to Allie, and she goes, "So what do you think, Pam?" And I said, "Well, how do I join? She said, okay, we can get that done. I said, right now. So she signed me up to become a member. I said, how do we do the business? Let's make an appointment. And we took it from there. And I never looked back, thanks to Allison and her great presentation. With our life scenario, first question, can we change our past? No, right? Can we change our present? Maybe, maybe not. But can we change our future? We definitely can do that. We can all work to that. Every one of us have a different idea of how we want to change our future, what we want to do. And we have to work hard on how we can accomplish it. So guys, dream vividly. Put it down on paper. You can accomplish any goal you want to accomplish in your future. Maybe not at the present time, but in the future, if you put it down on paper, it works. You go back to it every day, look at it, put it in your head, you're going to want to do it. For myself, I'm actually always working on my life scenario, always putting down my goals, working towards it, visualizing it, and ensuring that I'm going for that dream that I want. My motivation in Atomy is my 2 little girls. They are my biggest reason in life. We have everything we want. I give them everything they want, everything that I could afford to give them. But I want to teach them, in life you can accomplish anything you want if you actually work towards it. If you set those goals, if you set anything you want, you can accomplish it. You just have to set those goals. So I want to accomplish all my goals. I want to accomplish my dreams to show them that they could actually accomplish their goals and their dreams. But this is the cutest one. We just got a little pet about almost a year now. He's my little hidden gem. His name is Rio. And if you could see there, he's actually placing Atomy orders for me. Look at it. He's always helping me with my Atomy orders. He's always sitting down with me late in the night, and only when I go to sleep, then he goes to sleep. So he's my little one. I work for him. My first dream is to become Imperial Master, as every one of us in this room have that dream. To become an Imperial Master, every night I'm putting it in my head, that's where I want to be, that's where I want to go. And I'm always working towards it. I get shivers, I smile and I cry at the same time thinking about it because of what I can do. If I become Imperial Master, I could take care of my girls, my family, my friends, my community, my little Rio, so well that no one is ever going to want to have to worry for anything else. To do that, I am actually opening up my shop every day. I'm opening up my mouth, which is basically opening up my shop every day so that I'm in business, right? Remember that, guys. You got to open your shop. You have to open your mouth every day. I'm also consistently going out for my 100, Go 100. Consistently going out for Go 100. And by the end of December 2025, I hope to accomplish Sharon Rose Master. It's a promise to myself, and I know for sure I will accomplish it. Because when I set my goals there, I always accomplish it, no matter what. Also, one more thing, I've also promised my girls when I accomplish Sharon Rose Master by the end of 2026, they always want a cottage by the lake, we're gonna go for it. My second one is to improve my health. Atomy has done so much for me. It's unbelievable. Hemohem, little story about it. I am a person who suffers from diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis for 23 years. I also have heart disease for the past 5 years. So my A1C for my diabetes is always between an 8, high 8, and a high 9. Come January 2024, I started taking Hemohem. And I went to my doctor, long story short, give me some blood work, make sure you check what it is. 3 months later, I went back to him. Okay, check. all the organs, everything. To my surprise, my jaw dropped. It was a 6.5. For years, 23 years, I'm trying to bring it down, losing weight, eating proper, and nothing helps. Taking hemoham consistently every day, my A1C dropped, my body started working so much better. Unbelievable. Also noni, rheumatoid arthritis. My doctor took me off majority of my meds and hoping to take me off my last one by the end of the year, and noni is what's helping me with my inflammation. So guys, hemoham and noni, if you're not taking it, look into it. If you have any kind of that, stuff that I have, try it. Give yourself that little chance. What else about noni? Hemoham, it's crazy. I just love it. I don't know what else to say about it. So for me to become an Imperial Master again, health is very important, extremely important. So always make sure you take care of your health, because if you have your health, you can go anywhere. You can do anything. You can accomplish anything you want to accomplish. If you don't have the health, you're not going to be able to do that. And as a hairdresser, and I'm sure there's lots in here, esthetician, hairdresser, after a short period of time, you start having pains in your hands, your knees, your feet, everywhere. So no dream is too big when you have a clear vision and the courage to pursue it. So the Atomy life scenario isn't just a plan. It's a promise to yourself, to your family, to your loved ones. So keep believing, keep building, and let every step you take bring you closer to the life you deserve. Meet you at the top. Aja, aja, aja.